It's Jenny and Dennis, and we're from Granite, California. We recently replaced the windows in our entire house using Virgil at Energy Savings Construction. Our home is about 25 years old, and we had talked for years about replacing our windows because we were noticing it's very drafty in our house during the winter. So we reached out to Virgil, who came out, showed us various options in terms of the brand and the type of window. We ended up selecting a Milgard window. When the windows arrived, an installation appointment was promptly scheduled, and the crew came out and did a fabulous job in terms of the installation. It took about a day and a half. They completely explained the process. They moved around the house. The work was meticulous, very focused on detail. And overall, we're very pleased. Noticed a dramatic change in terms of the temperature of the house. It seems it's a lot warmer, and the new windows kind of buffers a lot of the outside noises as well. We don't necessarily hear the trees rustling when it's windy outside any longer. And so overall, very, very pleased with our experience with Energy Savings Construction.